For an off-road pickup like Silverado 2500 HD, the suspension is always a thing most vehicle owners want to have. And fortunately, there are a ton of things that are subjective to users and owners. But overall, the suspension and comfort under the hood depending on the shocks that are installed under every wheel of your four-wheel driven car. In the aftermarket part world, there are a ton of options that opens up to you. Some of these are cost efficient, some are expensive, and all of these are for reasons. Sometimes you get better value for the money and sometimes you don't. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best shocks for Silverado 2500 HD. So let's get started. Number 5. KYB Gas Shock 565102. Any vehicle equipped with KYB will notice the massive improvement in a matter of seconds. This is one of the most well-known brands in the market for safety and reliability. This model offers a great and efficient way to mitigate vibration when going down the road. Thousands of consumers have commented out just how much better the truck feels after the installation process. What's more, this brand has applied a zinc coating to the shocks to prevent rusting over time. Keep in mind that these units are pretty likely to get corroded, given just how much they're exposed to external conditions. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Rough Country 2.5-inch Leveling Kit 283 in 2. So far, we've set up the bar pretty high for shocks. But Rough Country is here to redefine what it means to be a reliable shock for the 2500 HD Duramax. These heavy-duty shocks are designed for anyone who wants to drive off-road. They are super durable, and they won't let you down. These shocks are also a great choice if you want to level your truck, but have no idea how to go about it. In practice, once you've installed the shocks, you'll notice that your vehicle is now leveled, and the ugly rake should be gone for good. Another cool feature is that by installing these shocks on your truck, you'll be able to run up to 32-inch tires. If you're trying to make your vehicle look a little more aggressive, consider giving it a try. You won't regret it. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Rancho RS 999910. Is your ride bumpy right now, and the shocks feel pretty stiff? Well, you will love this fantastic model from Rancho. This brand has been around for quite some time, and has made a name for itself in the automotive industry. This is by far our favorite model when it comes to durability. This model is equipped with a self-lubricating seal, which helps retain both gas and oil for more efficient compression. What's more, this model is pretty customizable compared to the competition. For example, it has a knob, which allows you to adjust the damping control and the friction for driving on rough roads. Another fantastic feature that has made these shocks stand out from the crowd is that they somewhat remove the ugly factory rake, making it an excellent choice for anybody that wants a more aggressive and sexier look. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Rancho RS 9000 XL Adjustable Shocks. If you are an avid off-roader that likes to take risks and push your vehicle to its extreme, then there are no better shocks than these that will stay strong all the way. Expose them to any terrain and road condition, and you will be impressed. All of this is possible due to the use of an adjustable damping system that allows changing the shock's dampening power, ranging from very smooth to very hard, depending on personal preference. This is done using a knob built on the shocks, which has different levels of adjustment. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Bilstein Front Shocks 5100 Series. If you want reliable and robust shocks that improve your handling, you'll love these. These all-around shocks come with unique modifiers, which help reduce friction, making them an excellent choice to smooth out your truck. Furthermore, we love just how much it improves your riding. It keeps the vehicle stable while maintaining good contact with the road. This is an excellent feature to have as it improves your safety when driving. Moreover, consumers have been impressed by how easy it is to install one of these on your own. It barely takes any time, and you'll save a lot of money. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best shocks for Silverado 2500 HD just for you.